Hello, students of Standard 9. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Mount Besia. I am here with the geography chapter, first chapter, as I have already taken this class earlier also. India, size and location. I have already taught you that India, India occupies an important position in South Asia. India has 29 states and 7 union territories. India, about India's neighbor, I have told you. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, that is Tibet, Nepal, Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Sri Lanka and Maldives are the two island countries which lie in the south across the seas. And I have also told you that a small landmass which make a breach between India and Sri Lanka is called Park Strait. India has strong geographical and historical links with her neighbors. So, one more questions which I have already told you that there is a time difference between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. 2 hours time difference. Why so? And how it has been managed? This is due to the standard meridian time of our country. See, as I have already told, India is the seventh largest country in the world. It covers a long range of longitudes, 65 degree east to 97-degree east. This is the longitudinal division of our country. As we know that variation in time is caused, the variation in time is caused due to these longitudinal differences. So the time difference between the westernmost and the easternmost longitude of India is very large. For example, Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat, there is a time difference of 2 hours. But if this 2 hours difference prevails in our country, then the information, transmission of information will be very difficult inside the country. So to avoid this, suppose if some news come at 7:30, suppose in the TV it said that Ramayana will start at 7:30. So for the whole country it is 7:30 Ramayana will start. But in Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh, if this time difference prevails of 2 hours, then how they will see that Ramayana serial in the TV in the same time. So to avoid this situation, we designated 82-degree 30-minute east longitude as standard meridian. And the time at this longitude is accepted all across India as the standard Indian standard time. So, due to this differences, this problem is being avoided. And we can maintain the same time throughout the country. So, this standard Indian standard meridian 82-degree 30-minute east is a very important. You should remember it because this is the only meridian due to which the time has been managed by throughout the country. And it is a very important question too, that although there is a time difference of 2 hours between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat, why the watches show the same time in the country? Okay, so this is the end of the chapters. Questions of this chapter I will give you in my next video. Wait for that. Thank you.